Let's talk about the best strategy to learn English this year. If you do a quick research online, you will see that there are many strategies and many ways to learn English. Some are good, some are bad, some are old, and some are new. But this strategy is the best because it is something you probably already do. If you are someone who likes to exercise, this strategy will be quick, easy for you to implement. Hello everybody, it's Kasi, your English coach. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best strategy to learn English in 2026. But as always, before continuing the video, let me remind you this. Learning a language is a journey. It takes time and effort. But if you keep practicing, you'll get better. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and don't give up. I know you can do it. Now let's go back to the video. Now let's talk about why learning a language is similar to exercise. You see, if you exercise, you work your muscle, you improve your physical health, you work your stamina, you work on your cardiovascular health, which refers to your heart. But the same way, when you learn a new skill, whether that is a language or something else, you work your brain. Now, your brain is typically not your muscle, but they function in the same way. And your body and your muscle need a regular exercise in order to keep shape and to keep fit. The first step of our strategy is to identify your weaknesses. Some of you guys watching this video can find it very difficult to speak. Maybe you don't know what to say when someone is talking to you. Or maybe you lack word or expression to express yourself. Or there are some people who cannot even listen when native speakers speak faster. Whatever it is, everyone is facing at least one challenge when learning a language. So I want you to take a paper and write your weaknesses down. Be honest with yourself. Now let's move on the second step, which will consist to plan or to make a schedule. Once you recognize your weaknesses, now let's make a plan to work your weaknesses in order to turn them into a skill. We have 7 days in a week, from Monday to Sunday. And let's say, for example, your weaknesses are speaking, listening, and pronunciation. And on Monday, you are going to spend 1 hour to work on your speaking skill. And on Wednesday, you are going to spend 1 hour to work on your listening skill. And finally, on Friday, you are going to spend 15 minutes to work on your pronunciation. Now let's move on the final step of our strategy. We know our weaknesses and we are making a plan to work on these weaknesses. Now let's talk about the practices or the exercises you have to do every single day in order to really improve these weaknesses. On Monday, you are going to work on your speaking skill. So what can you do in order to really work on your speaking skill? It can be reading out loud or speaking to yourself. I highly recommend read out loud because it will really help you to improve your speaking skill. Because it helped me a lot. When I started to learn English in 2024, this is one of the things that I do the most of the time. Sometimes I can spend 2 hours or 3 hours just by read out loud, and this really helped me to become fluent in English. And like you can see, I started to learn English in 2024. I've never taken any English courses. I've never studied English at university, but I just done it by myself. And read out loud helped me a lot to become fluent in English. And like you can see, in less than 2 years, I become fluent in English and I can teach English online. I even create my English program where I train people on how to speak and to become fluent in English. So read out loud will really help you to improve your speaking skill. On Wednesday, you are going to work on your listening skill. So what can you do in order to improve your listening skill? It can be watch movies, watch TVs, or watch podcasts, or listen to expose yourself in the language. Immerse yourself in the language. So it can be watching movies if you like to watch movies, or you like to watch TVs, or you like to watch, podcasts. So do something that will make you expose yourself in the language. Now finally, on Friday, you are going to work on your pronunciation. So what can you do in order to improve your pronunciation? It can be imitate people. And for me, I imitate Steve Harvey because I like the way he speaks, I like his accent, I like the way he pronounces words. So whenever I saw Steve Harvey on stage, I try to imitate him. So you also find out someone you want to speak like and imitate that person. This will help you to improve your pronunciation. So here are the best strategies to learn English in 2026. Hope this is helpful. If it is, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, see you next time.